Welcome back users. In today's video we will do the installation of Ubuntu Mate 22.04 LTS desktop. So let us start. So we have to use the template of Ubuntu 22. It is not available. So we will take the last LTS version template, that is the 20.04. Now you click on the next button. In the resource allocation, increase the RAM size to 4 GB. 26.8 GB of VDD, that is the virtual hard disk, is okay. Hit the create button. Choose the first option, install Mate desktop. So this is the new Georgia's greenish colored. So this is the Mate desktop live for Ubuntu 22.04 LTS operating system. So let us start the installation of Ubuntu Mate. Click on Ubuntu Mate icon. Go to the Indian keyboard. Select India English with rupee. That will be good for most of the people. You can choose the keyboard as per your local, as per your language. Hit the continue button. We will do a normal installation. We will not download the updates or install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware and media formats, because this is just a review. But in actual installation on a bare metal, you must install it. It will be helpful, because otherwise the restricted media codecs won't be available and you will find difficulty playing many of the video and audio formats, and also the graphics drivers might be missing along with the Wi-Fi drivers. So for the actual installation you must choose this option along with the update option. So that will install all the required audio video formats, Wi-Fi drivers, graphics drivers, and the updates also. So your system will be up to date and you won't need to download any more updates. All the updates available till the date will be installed. So now let us go ahead and hit the continue button. We will do manual partitioning. Choose the new partition table, hit continue. Do a 300 MB EFI system partition. Done. Now again select the free space. Do a 4000 MB or the 4 GB swap area. Click OK. That is done. Now again select the free space. Rest of the remaining free space you can format as a root file system. Select the mount point as root. So now your partitioning is done. Now hit the install button, hit continue. So it is showing the partition 1 will be formatted as ESP, partition 2 as a swap, and partition 3 of the virtual disk, that is the VDA, will be formatted as extended 4. Hit continue. Location is not chosen properly because my internet connection is down. So we select it manually. Hit the continue button. Type in short password, short name and short password. Remove the extra string of the name. Put a simple password for the review purpose only. But in actual case, you must have at least 8 to 10 character long strong password. That is recommended. Select the require my password to login option. That is default, but if it is not default, you have to choose this password to login. Use active directory. No, this is a review version. But in actual case, if you are using the laptop for your office work, you will have to choose the active directory and register your laptop in the active directory. Continue. Yes. Installation has started. Mate desktop is nothing but the continuity of the GNOME 2 desktop. So you can find a lot of videos giving you the history of the Mate desktop. Mate desktop is specifically made for the systems where the resources are less, like 2 GB of RAM, only for 40-50 GB of hard disk. There is no graphics card. In those cases, the Mate desktop is very good. The typical Mate desktop usage is around 500 to 600 MB of RAM. So the older systems are comfortable with the Mate desktop. And many of the advanced users, old seasoned users of Linux, prefer Mate desktop because of its simplicity. It gets away from your work, so you can focus on your work. There are not much complexities like in GNOME desktop. The interface is very simple, so user can focus on his work instead of tweaking with the settings. And the best part is with one click you can enter either the places system, you can enter the settings, system settings, places, and in one click you can enter the applications. So it is not complicated like in GNOME, where you have to click the activities button every time you want to go inside the system to fetch applications or system settings. Of course, there is a way in GNOME to search the applications and system settings using the search menu, but still it is complicated compared to Mate. In the next video, we will do a detailed review of the Ubuntu Mate 22.04 LTS desktop. We will keep this video short up to only the installation part. So installation is quite fast, not the fastest, but quite fast. And there is a lot of configurability in the desktop. You can choose the different GUIs, like the different panels, the Mac OS style panels, the simple Unity kind of panel, the Windows kind of panel look. So everything is possible in this Mate desktop we will check out in the next video. Also, the size of Mate desktop is small compared to Gnome. Gnome desktop will take almost 7 to 10 GB of hard disk drive, but Ubuntu system with Mate will consume like maybe 6 GB and something like that, 5 to 6 GB in Ubuntu or any other distro. So people with a smaller hard disk find this Mate desktop to be more useful. So there is more free space available for the user files and applications instead of the space being taken up by the operating system. System is removing the unwanted packages. So based on our preferences that we input while configuring the system, those packages were installed according to the preferences we input, and the rest of the packages, say like the ZFS file system, the XFS file system, the extended 2 and 3 file system, which we did not use, we only preferred the extended 4. So all those file systems, their packages, related dependencies will be all removed. System is now updating the init RAM FS, that is the initial RAM file system. So along with it, the important applications and files needed to start the system are uploaded in the RAM. So to upload the system, first you have to create a RAM file system. So that is the init RAM FS, the initial RAM file system. So it is a image. That image is every time booted into the RAM. So that is called init RAM FS. On the initial RAM file system, the initial system image is booted, which helps to start the system after a cold start. So the fine installation is just about to complete, copying the installation logs to the system. Okay, now the installation is complete. We stop our video here. In the next video, we will do the complete detailed review of the Ubuntu Mate 22.04 LTS desktop. Thank you very much for being with us during the course of this video. Do subscribe to our channel. Do like and watch our videos regularly. Do not miss to click on the bell icon, otherwise you will miss our videos. We upload around 1 to 2 videos every day, so don't miss any of our videos. See you, bye bye.